Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to export a data from Grafana to Excel. Now the first thing I want you to do is come to the left hand panel and just click on dashboards. And here you'll see your different dashboards. I want you to just open up the one with the data you want to export to Excel. So we've opened up this one, and by the way, you can only export these to Excel one at a time, right? So each panel will have a button right here on the top right, these three dots. Once you hover over them, I want you to click on it, and then I want you to hover over inspect and then click on data. Now here, instead of clicking download CSV, click on a data options, and you can just toggle this one, download for Excel. This will also add a header to CSV for use with Excel, and then you just download this and you open it up on Excel. That's all there is to it. So that is how to export a data from Grafana to Excel.